Hey everybody, it's Mr. Dempsey. Today I'm going to show you how to use image capture on your Mac computer to import your videos and photos from your iPhone. If you have an Android, you're probably going to want to just use Google Drive. It will upload depending on the speed of your network. So it's not necessarily the best option. Image capture with an iPhone is the quickest way to get your clips onto the computer. Today, we're going to do that by I'm going to take a lightning cable. That's the iPhone charging cable, and I'm going to plug it in. And when I do, you will see that on my phone, I have a message that says trust this computer. I'm going to click trust, and then it's going to ask for my password. And now this is trusting this computer. At this point, I'm going to go down to the dock. I have image capture down here. If you don't have an image capture, you're going to go to the Finder, going to click on Applications, and then you are going to search for image capture, which is right here. Double click on image capture. That's going to open. I'm going to close that Finder window back there. And now you will see these images that are in my computer. All right. Got a bunch of assorted stuff here. Let's just say I want to take this clip and everything above it. For some reason, I have this fancy picture of Joe Biden here. I could highlight all that and then click download. It's going to go into the last location that I saved clips, but that is not there anymore. So what I want to do is I want to click this and I want to click other, and I now want to create a new folder. I'm just going to do this to the desktop. I want to go straight to the computer as opposed to going into the Google Drive immediately. The reason is if something happens with the network, it can be a problem. So we're going to just create the folder. And in this case, I'm going to title this 230815 because that's today's date. And I'm going to say image capture, whatever, it doesn't matter. So now I'm going to click create. I'm going to click choose. And now you see it unhighlighted or deselected all of those clips. So let's say I'm going to just do these three. I'm going to click that one, click command, and then click those three things. And here's what's very important. I'm going to click download. I'm not going to click download all. If you click download all, it will take everything off of your camera roll in your phone and put it onto the computer. We do not want that to happen. That is a lot of useless data on the computer, and hopefully there's none of it that is incriminating. But if it is and it ends up on the computer, you could get in trouble for that. So only select the things that you need to be in this project. I'm going to click download, and that's going to go into the folder that I selected called 230815 image capture. Before I do that, right here, if you click on those three dots, you have the option of selecting delete after import. If you keep that box checked when you import these things, it will delete it from your phone, which is a great way to save space and to clean up your phone as you go. You could always go back in there and delete it, but if you have to do that, it's going to take extra time. So I'm going to click download. It's going to take as long as it takes. In this case, not very long. I see that it's not spinning. It's not telling me it's working anymore. I can close image capture, and now when I go to that folder and double click, my clips are in there. In my case, for some reason, it has started creating this folder. I don't know why, but it does. It's not the end of the world. I now have these images that I can use in Premiere. Before I do that, I'm going to need to share it with my group. I will do that using Google Drive. We're not going to do that in this video, but it is important that you put your resources on Google Drive so everyone in your group has access to the files. I hope this makes sense. I hope it helps. Let me know if you have any questions.